How to redeem gifts on Temu. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you've received free gifts, rewards, or coupons on Temu, you can follow the steps to redeem them. So first of all, you need to open your Temu application and ensure that you're logged in with your specific account. Click on the U icon from the bottom of the screen, and there you will see the option of credit balance and coupons and offers in the top. You can also check for your available gifts. Look for free items, gift cards, or discount coupons. Some gifts must be claimed within a certain time frame, so you have to act really quickly. So if you have a Temu gift card or promo code, you can go to the checkout section and there you will see the option of promo code. Simply enter the promo code or the redeem code over there and then tap on redeem. The balance or discount would be applied to your account. So you can also use gifts at checkout. Add items to your cart and proceed to check out. Before making the payment, select any available coupons, discounts, or redeem gift cards. Your total amount will be updated automatically. So after applying your rewards, place your order and track your shipment under My Orders. Some gifts may require you to refer friends before you can claim them, and regularly check Temu's notifications for new rewards. Free gifts may have minimum purchase requirements, and be sure to read the details carefully. So, this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.